thing is that we'll have to understand that there are two conditions which you have to fulfill, which are very simple to look at. First condition is that you have to forget your past for the time being. As I told you, the past doesn't exist anymore. Forget your past. Means you forgive yourself. That means you don't feel guilty at all for whatever you have done, you don't feel guilty. Please don't feel guilty. Now supposing in my lecture, you might have picked up something that might be making you feel guilty. So please don't feel guilty. Because we are human beings, and it's the only human beings who can do mistakes, who can commit mistakes. Not that we are gods, that we can be perfect. So don't try to condemn yourself at all. But you should be very pleasantly placed towards yourself, very pleasantly placed. Whatever you have done, just forget the past, just forget the past. That's one thing, is to forgive yourself, forget the past, and know that you are not guilty at all. First condition. Second condition is that you have to forgive everyone. Not individually, but in general. Please forgive everyone in general. Because whether you forgive or don't forgive, you don't do anything. Logically, you don't do anything. If you don't forgive, then you play into the hands of people who want to trouble you. While those who have troubled you are quite happy. Because you have not forgiven, you are suffering. So you must forgive everybody in general. These are the two real conditions. That's all. Forgive all nationalities. Especially the Chinese, I must tell them to forgive their government for the massacre they have had in China. It's very important. That should not stand in your way. Because on the whole, they are very wise, nice people. It was a mistake. It was some sort of a mistake due to little panic. So please forgive everyone. Everybody has to forgive. Those people who have suffered under racialism or anything, please forgive all of them. They all will be redeemed and they will know that we are all part and parcel of the same. There's nothing to differentiate us. But that has to happen from within. No amount of lecturing or sermoning is going to work it out. It just happens within yourself. And then you become completely integrated with everyone. So please forgive everyone. These two are very, very important conditions. Because this is the center which is on the optic chiasma like this, you see, and is so constricted that if you do not forgive, it doesn't open at all. So for rising your Kundalini, these two conditions are very important, and I request you that please seriously, please forgive everyone in general. Don't think whom you have to forgive, but in general you forgive everyone. Now, we have to understand, tomorrow if I was here I would have told you, but later on when you will come to the follow-on, you will know that we have two sides of sympathetic nervous system, left and right. And these are two powers we have. One is a desire power and another is the action power. So we have to use these two powers while nourishing our centers, because later on also you can use them. That's why though Kundalini will rise spontaneously, we have to learn also how to raise it again and again after realization. So it's a very simple way, a very simple method. All of you can follow it. So you have to take out your shoes, because this Mother Earth helps us a lot. Please remove your shoes. Please remove your shoes and touch the Mother Earth with both the feet. Now be very pleasant towards yourself. You have to be very pleasantly placed towards yourself. Not to be angry with yourself in no way, but just be very, very pleasantly placed. Put both your feet on the ground apart from each other. Don't have to sit in a very strained conditions, but in a very comfortable manner. So that your neck is not too much stretched this way or this way, but in a straightforward manner as we sit comfortably. First I'll show you what is to be done, and then we'll have to close our eyes and we'll have to work it out ourselves, so that later on also you can work it out. So you put your left hand towards me like this on your lap. You can keep it if you like, just without any difficulties. Just keep it on your lap, please. Those who don't want to do it can leave the hall. They should not disturb other people. It's not decent. It is not civil to disturb others. Please keep your left hand on your laps, like this. And we have to use the right hand now. We have to use the right hand for nourishing our centers. So first we put our right hand on our heart, because in the heart resides the spirit. First we put our right hand on the heart, and we work with our right hand on the left hand side. And the left hand is all the time like this towards me, which means that you want your realization, your desire. Now you have to move the hand in the upper portion of your abdomen on the left hand side. Now here is the center, which is the center of your mastery, which you get it through your evolution and which manifests in your being. Now you have to take your hand in the lower portion of your abdomen, and this is the center, lower portion of your abdomen on the left hand side, and this is the center for pure knowledge to be manifested on your central nervous system. Whatever knowledge we have is not pure. The pure knowledge is the knowledge that manifests on our central nervous system. Like with the eyes, what we see is pure knowledge. With the ears, what we hear is the pure knowledge. In the sense, the Bodha is to know it on the central nervous system is the Bodha. What Buddha has talked about is the Bodha. So that is manifested through this center on the left hand side in the lower portion of your abdomen. Now you raise your hand in the upper portion of your abdomen, and then you have to raise your hand on your heart. Now I have requested you not to feel guilty. Again I request you, because then you raise your hand in the corner of your neck and your shoulder. As far as possible, you take it back and turn your head to your right. Now this is the center is spoilt when you feel guilty, and is very much here today. So I request you again not to feel guilty at all. Then you have to put your hand on your forehead across and press it hard on both the sides and put down your head. And here is the center for you to forgive everyone in general. Now, you have to take back your right hand, the back side of your head. Push back your head as far as possible. Now, this is the center which is to be used by you without feeling guilty, without counting your mistakes. You have to ask for forgiveness for your own satisfaction from the divine power, for your own satisfaction. So don't feel guilty. Push back your head as much as possible and let it rest on your hand. Now, stretch your palm nicely and put the center of your palm on top of your head, on the fontanelle bone area. And now press it hard. Push back your fingers. Push back your fingers and put down your head and press it hard. And now press the scalp and move the scalp of your head slowly 7 times clockwise. clockwise 7 times. Please move the scalp, not the hand so much as the scalp, 7 times slowly. Put down your head, please. Put down your head, it's much easier. Please put down your head. That's all we have to do. Now many people didn't put the hand on top of the fontanelle bone area here. See, it is to be here, and it's the hands are to be in such a manner that your fingers are stretched outside. The pressure is here. It should not be like this, but should be touching, not only touching, but pressing. So now we start. So please close your eyes. You can take out your spectacles if you want, and please don't open your eyes till I tell you. Please don't open your eyes. Put both the feet on both the sides and put your left hand towards me. Put your right hand on your heart, and now please close your eyes. At this center, you have to ask me a very fundamental question. Mother, am I the spirit? Mother, am I the spirit? Ask this question 3 times. You can call me Mother, or you can call me Shri Mataji, whatever you want to call me. Am I the spirit? Ask this question 3 times, please. In your heart, not loudly. Please ask in your heart. Mother, am I the spirit? In your heart. All the questions are to be asked in your heart. Deliberately, seriously, and not with the haste. Slowly. Now, if you are the spirit, then you are your master. So now take down your right hand in the upper portion of your abdomen and ask a question. Mother, am I my own master? Ask this question 3 times. Mother, am I my own master? Ask this question 3 times. Again, I have to tell you that I cannot cross over your freedom. I respect it, and I cannot force pure knowledge on you. So now please take your right hand in the low portion of your abdomen, press it hard, and here you have to ask for pure knowledge. So please say 6 times, because this center has got 6 petals. So please ask me, Mother, please give me pure knowledge. Please ask me 6 times. All right. Now when you ask for pure knowledge, this Kundalini starts moving upward. So we have to nourish the higher centers. Please take your right hand in the upper portion of your abdomen and press it hard. Now with your full confidence, you have to nourish this center. To say it with full confidence 10 times, with full confidence in yourself. Mother, I am my own master. Say that with full confidence. Mother, I am my own master. Please say it 10 times. I have already told you that the truth is that you are not this body, you are not this mind, you are not this intellect, you are not these emotions, conditionings or ego, but you are pure spirit. So now raise your right hand on your heart and with full confidence please say 12 times, Mother, I am the Spirit. Mother, I am the Spirit. Say it 12 times, please. Now we have to know that the divine power is the power which is the ocean of love and ocean of knowledge. It is the ocean of benevolence and of blessings. But above all, it is the ocean of compassion and also the ocean of forgiveness. So, whatever mistakes you might have committed are nothing compared to the power of this ocean of forgiveness. So please forgive yourself fully and raise your hand in the corner of your neck and your shoulder and turn your head to your right. Here you have to say 16 times with full confidence, Mother, I am not guilty at all. Please say it 16 times. Whatever you might have done, just forget it completely, please say. Believe me, believe me. Say, Mother, I am not guilty at all. I have already told you that whether you forgive or you don't forgive, you do not do anything. It is just a myth, but with this myth we suffer so much when we don't forgive. So now you have to understand that we have to forgive everyone in general. So raise your right hand on your forehead and put it across and put down your head to rest on it. Now press it on both the sides. At this center, put down your head please and press it hard. You have to say, Mother, I forgive everyone. Please say, Mother, I forgive everyone. But here you have to say it from your heart. Not how many times, but from your heart. Please say, Mother, I forgive everyone. Now, take back your hand. You'll feel much lighter by saying that. And push back your head on it nicely. Push back nicely. Press it hard on it. And here, for your own satisfaction, without feeling guilty, without counting your mistakes, you have to say from your heart again, not how many times. O divine power, if I have done anything wrong, please forgive me. O divine power, please forgive me if I have done anything wrong, knowingly or unknowingly. Just ask it from your heart. Now, stretch your palm fully, push back your fingers and put the center of your palm on the fontanelle bone area, which was a soft bone in your childhood. Push back your fingers nicely, press it nicely. Now here again, I cannot cross over your freedom. You have to ask for self-realization in your freedom and in your glory. So, now move your scalp. Please remember to push back your fingers nicely and to press your scalp and to move it 7 times clockwise. While moving that, you have to say 7 times, Mother, please give me my self-realization. Please say that. Please put down your heads. Please put down your heads. Push back your fingers. Push back your fingers. Please push back your fingers. Put down your heads. You have to do this very properly. Then it works out. Please put down your heads. Press it hard. Now, please open your eyes slowly. Put both the hands like this, little higher. Please put both the hands little higher. Now don't doubt yourself if you feel the cool breeze. Don't doubt yourself. It's not what you call the air conditioner or anything. Don't doubt yourself. You can go and find it out outside also later on. But just now don't doubt. And watch me without thinking. Just watch me without thinking. You can do it. Just watch me without thinking. Now, put your right hand towards me like this. Put down your head again and see if there is cool breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area, the soft bone in your childhood. But now don't put the hand onto your head, but away from it, and see for yourself there's a cool breeze coming out of your head. Put down your head. Put down your head, please. Now, put the left hand towards me. And now, see for yourself again if there's a cool breeze coming out of your head. Now, some people will get heat coming out. Doesn't matter. If there's heat coming out, it means there's a little liver problem or maybe some other problem. But doesn't matter. The heat has to come out first, then the cool breeze will come out. Some people get it very close to the head, and some people get it little far away. So please see that you feel the cool breeze. Now, again put the right hand towards me, and with the left hand, again put down your head and see for yourself if there's a cool breeze coming out of your head. Now, raise your both the hands like this. Raise them. Push back your head and ask a question. Mother, is this the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost? Or ask the question, Mother, is this the cool breeze of the all-pervading power of God's love? Or you ask the question, Mother, is this the Parama Chaitanya? Ask any one of these questions 3 times and see for yourself. You'll find cool breeze blowing around your hands and in your palm also. Now take down your hands.